Okay, nandito na tayo ngayon. So ito yung pangalawang, first night pala. Kasi kagabi nagpunta tayo dito para mag-set. So yan, mag-i-start na mga kamusta. Ito yung unang gabi ng fiesta dito sa Bolivar. Tropa natin dito.
Pasok daw bukas yan, boss. Pasok daw bukas.
Sikat talaga, selos. Kasamahan natin eh. Yan, so bingo na mga kamusta, no? Siyempre maglalaro tayo, hindi mawawala yan. Kaso wala. Mga alat nyo.
Kasunod na bola sa bingo again.
Ganito kahirap maghanap pera. Kukunin natin yung motor na yun.
Under 3.6.
that needs to be put right. Mayroon bang hindi tama sa ating mundo na kailangan nating itama?
I think the wrong thing that needs to be right in this world is the evilness. Get it in ways that we never expect. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number 3. So, pwede po makilabas na po si number 5. Candidate number 5, are you ready for your final question?
Candidate number 5, your question. Is there something that is not right in this world that needs to be put right? Mayroon bang hindi tama sa ating mundo na kailangan nating itama?
Thank you, sir. As an individual, I guess there's something wrong that needed to be corrected. In our country, it is not promoted the inclusivity and fairness. Promote inclusivity and fairness for the better of our community. Thank you.
You got it? Our candidate number 5. And last but not the least, on top 3, candidate number 7.
Candidate number 7, your final question. Is there something that is not right in this world that needs to be put right? Mayroon bang hindi tama sa ating mundo na kailangan nating itama?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. There is nothing in this world that we can change because it is the world we live in and it is given by God. We do not have the right to change anything in this world because only God can change our world. And I thank you.
Second runner-up is candidate number. Sino? It's candidate number 3. First runner-up. First runner-up, sino? Volleyball. With an average score of 90.33. First runner-up is none other than candidate number. You got it right, it's candidate number 5.
Uwihan na to, uwihan na. Congratulations!
Makakatulog na rin tayo.
Once again, sa Liata T. Volleyball 2024, Rico's Camp has won a
Tapos na mga kamusta. Okay, so pack up na nga kami mga kamusta, no? So tapos na. Maraming salamat sa pagsama niyo sa amin sa another event. So tara. At pack up muna tayo mga kamusta. Okay, so dahil wala kaming pagkain kanina, kakain muna tayo. Dito tayo sa Chowking. Okay, kain muna tayo. Kain na muna tayo. Tulog. Antok na talaga. Ito ko na. Puyatan. Solve na yung tropa. Iinom pa daw ata sila. Pero hanggang dito na lang din yung video natin mga kamasta. Maraming salamat. At mag-ingat po kayo lahat. God bless everyone. Bye.